Ika.
Aray! Ow!
This is what you get. Mag-sorry ka. Ow!
Tuwing summer, pag magkasama kayo, parang kayo. Ano ba sabi ko sa'yo?
This time I'm not gonna let you slip away. This time I'm not gonna let another day go by without holding you so tight, without treating you so right.
Bakit? Ang relationship ba parang damit? Mas may value kapag may label?
Oo!
I've been meaning to ask you something. I'll be going again soon. So I wanted to ask you if...
Never let you fall. Gonna give you my all this time.
Yung nararamdaman ba natin kung magkatabi tayo o magkalayo ng 3 feet, 5 miles, or even hundreds of miles away, may pagkakaiba?
Kobe, ayoko nang kausap yung monitor. Ayoko nang kayakap yung iPad. Ayoko nang ka-holding hands o ka-kiss yung cellphone.
What do you want me to do?
Stay.
I want to stay. I can't.
This time I'm not gonna let you slip away. This time I'm not gonna let another.
Tagal na rin natin makakilala. Kahit tuwing summer lang tayo nakakasama.
Walang nagbabago.
This time I'm not gonna let go of your love.
Oh, di ba? Di ba? Di ba? Di ba?